Okay, Python people, right now we're going to talk about how to do lives, okay? If you think about it, it's really the same as any other variable that you're going to make go up or go down, like score or timer or whatever, okay? So all you need, basically, we need a variable because it's going to change, right? We've got to declare that up at the top, and we have to give it a value, okay? So I'm just going to call it live to make sense, right? And usually with lives, you start high and count down. So we're going to say lives equals 3 for this purpose, okay? All right, so lives equals 3. Now, the question is, when do the lives go down? All right, and in this example, you can have it whatever you want in your game. In this example, we're just going to have the lives go down when the Raspberry collides with the alien. So in this case, the Raspberry is trying to avoid the alien, okay? And every time he gets hit, he loses a life, all right? So when he gets hit, remember that is a collision, right? So here's our check for the collision right now. Right now it's set up that the score goes up, right? Score equals score plus 1. So we're going to do the reverse, okay? So we're going to say lives equals lives, wait for it, minus 1. Oh yeah, lives equals lives minus 1. So it's going to start at 3. That's what we said way up here, right? Lives equals 3 when the game starts. And then every time that they collide, we're going to say lives equals lives minus 1, which means that it starts at 3. Collision, boom, it goes to 2. Collision, boom, it goes to 1. Collision, boom, it goes to 0. Okay? That's how it works. Let's just try it and see, okay? So here we go, and let's see. Okay, so there's lives equals 0. That's interesting. Why did lives say 0? Didn't I set lives to 3 somewhere? Let me just check. I did. Oh, I know why. Sorry, my bad. Okay, because down here I was getting the value of the, right here, score, right there, see? Now this is, a little bit kind of more advanced, but I want that. So I was actually grabbing the score, which I had set to 0. Okay, let's try that again. Let's see if this works. I goofed. Okay. That's all right. This was lives equals 3. And that's the way it works. You just got to find out what did I do wrong. So it should go to 2. Yeah. It should go to 1. Yeah. It should go to 0. Boom. Yeah. Now, what do you think is going to happen now? Because I didn't say what should happen if lives equals 0, did I? Nope. So it's not going to know. So the next time it happens, it's going to go to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, you get the idea, right? So unless I tell it to do something when lives equals 0, it's not going to know, and it's just going to keep subtracting 1 every time, which is exactly what we told it to do. But that's a whole nother tutorial. So hopefully you got this. Make sure that you declare your variable up at the top, right up here with our variable declarations. You probably want to count down, so set it to 3 or whatever. Whenever you lose a life, when does that happen? In my game, it starts at the collision. It's lives equals lives minus 1, right? Because you're going to be counting down, okay? So hopefully that helps, and we'll see you next time.